Hello, welcome back to another episode of Birding with Nick and Quinn. Today's episode is about the American woodcock. The American woodcock is a small shorebird that is found in forests, fields, and is known for its elaborate mating display in the early spring, specifically March, which is when this video was filmed. Enjoy.
Oh, and tonight most likely is probably going to be the best night for woodcocks that we have for a while, so that's why I'm giving it a little bit of extra time to see if they display. Woodcock, displaying. Hold on. I lost him. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I don't think it's focusing on him, but I know I got him on video. Wow, he's going high. There he is. I can't even see him anymore, he's so high. Oh my gosh, I did it. I got it on video. I'm a legend.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. The American woodcock just happens to be my favorite bird, which is why I am mostly in this video. Anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.